Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zoro token. Name of the token is Zoro, Z-O-R-R-O, and that is also the ticker symbol. This is on the ZKSYNC blockchain, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on MEXC Global. And we are going to go over what this token is and the audit on this token, see if we could find any audits on it, see if the contract is secure, and see if there is a potential scam risk for the Zoro token. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on Dex Screener, on Dex Tools. Their official webpage is zorro.gg. On there they have tokenomics. They have a game you could play. This is very much a meme coin here. So at first glance, if I just scroll through their their webpage quickly here, their team is not doxed. They basically have cat pictures, and they have fake names, and they have, their job titles basically. They do have Twitter accounts though to basically all of their team members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 team members. So maybe if you go over to those Twitters, those X.coms, they're going to have more information about who they are, maybe on the Twitters there, their individual Twitters. So you could find all of those linked on zorro.gg. Now it says tokenomics, 10 billion Zoro tokens in existence. No more invited to the party. Fair launched on mute.io, it says. Liquidity secured with 70% locked and burned, 30% reserved for future ecosystem incentives. And it says central exchange listings and farming. No tax. And it says Zoro is the king of ZKSYNC. And then it says trust me, bro. But yeah, they do show you step by step basically how to get this token on their webpage if you wanted to use it. If you wanted to use your MetaMask wallet. And it says here, there's basically a buy button that's going to take you where you need to go. And it says you can bridge your ETH to ZKSYNC at portal.txsync.io. So it gives you the whole step-by-step how to buy this token. Also, tomorrow it is available on MEXC Global. So it will be listed there as well. It says, please note that Zoro is deployed on the ZKSYNC era. Therefore, the deposit confirmation will take around 21 hours to complete. Please be well aware before you proceed with any transactions. You may refer to ZKSYNC Explorer to check deposit status, and that is at explore.zksync.io. So they have that alert there on MEXC Global's new announcement about this token. Now, this token also has a Telegram at ZKSYNC Zoro, and their ZKSYNC Block Explorer here says they have 10,726 holders already. This token is up 33.97% according to their scan here. And they have a market cap of over $11.1 million, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. So basically, it says here this token you can get on app.mute.io/swap. So that would be the swap for ZKSYNC. Otherwise, MEXC Global tomorrow. So that's basically the main information on this token. Like I said, it's a meme coin. It's got a game that you could play. But let's get to the security issues on this token here. See if we can find some audits. There is no full audit on their webpage, so just be aware of that. There is no KYC. There is, no Seifu badge, none of that stuff. Now, this token is trending number 6 right now on DEX Tools. It says it's up 39%. And DEX Screener says 49%, and it's actually trending number 6 on DEX Screener. So on DEX Tools, they do have a quick audit that we could review here, a couple quick audits, I believe. So they have a DEX score of 79 out of 99. So that is project reliability based on different points for information, transactions, holders, creation, and pool. So it's not a perfect score there. They have a community trust score. Out of 12 votes, they got 58.3%. And so let's get down here to the nitty gritty. So is the contract safe? It looks like it is not 100% safe. No. So there is potential risks here. So just be aware of that. So they have on DEX Tools, if you go over to DEX Tools, they have an audit by Quick Intel Security, and they have a audit by GoPlus Security. So it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, and then there's a discrepancy here. So GoPlus Security says tax is not modifiable, but Quick Intel Security says it is. And I'm going to put that up on the screen here so you guys can see that, see the risks here. But then you'll see an even bigger risk right here, blacklisting. So blacklisting, there is a warning on Quick Intel and GoPlus Security. So that could be a big problem. It could be good if the dev is blacklisting bots. So bots can't front run and do all these other things that bots do. So it could be good if they blacklist bots. Sometimes devs can accidentally blacklist people thinking they're bots too as well. Or a big problem here is they can blacklist people from selling the token. They can modify the tax up to 100% potentially, depending if that Quick Intel Security audit is right and the GoPlus one is wrong. So those could be two big deals right there. So it says scam risk undetected, but there is blacklisting. Tax may be modifiable. Also, there's another conflict. If you scroll down, it says no hidden owner. Bunch of good check marks, but then it says Quick Intel Security says no external call risk, but GoPlus Security says there is an external call risk. And then and that is it. So basically 3 warnings. So potentially tax may be modifiable. There is blacklisting according to both audits. And there could be an external call risk according to GoPlus Security. So it says whether the contract would call functions of other contracts when primary methods are executed. So that's what external call risk means. But yeah, so there is some warnings on here. So if I'm going to say, is this contract fully safe? Absolutely not, especially with blacklisting. If you can blacklist all sorts of people from selling the token, that could be a huge problem. So definitely could be risky, this token. They have an $8.29 million market cap. They have a lot of holders. They have $353,000 in 24-hour trading volume. They have $731,000 in liquidity on mute.io. So yeah, it's a big token, doing very well, trending right now on DEX Tools and DEX Screener, and getting a big central exchange listing starting tomorrow. But there is some warnings, so definitely do your own research before getting this token. Could be real sketchy. Now let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and if there's any security risks on them. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.